call me Desire.
Hey everyone, it's Furzy, and I'm here with Phebe and Desire. No, wait, that's a streetcar. No, this is Remy.
Hey!
Okay, we're in District 75, and we are about to have these amazing desserts.
Halo.
These are halo.
Mix.
It's a mix of all these things. Look how tall that glass is. So when you get into halo, you got to have this long spoon, and you got to dig all the way down to get to the good stuff. Now you think about that in your speeches. When you do your speeches and you're telling your story, don't just go superficial. Don't just tell the basic plot. You got to dig down deep. You got to get down and get all the way to the good stuff, into the bottom. So make sure when you are speaking, get to the meaning of what you're saying. Not just your point, but get to the meaning of it, and how is that going to resonate with your audience? Meanwhile, I'm going to get down to the meaning of this dessert. Happy speaking.